Cooking Cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the Cop.
So in today's recipe, you guys saw the thumbnail, you guys saw the title. We're going to be making we're going to be using a Korean pork barbecue bowl. It's going to have some really warm rice. It's going to have some really, really, really tender marinated pieces of pork. Babe's going to chop up some green onion. And then Babe wanted to throw an egg on the top of it. So it's going to be a really good Asian flair barbecue bowl. Okay, so the backstory to this video recipe. You guys saw we did a Korean beef bulgogi. The thumbnail looked like this. That recipe turned out amazing. That was really good.
That was really good.
You guys know that we have the join button. It looks exactly like this. And thank you to everybody that has chosen to join our community. That means a lot to us. You guys support the channel, and we're very, very appreciative of you. So one of the people that hit the join button requested that we do something with a little bit more Asian flair. Really like the beef bulgogi with the egg on top. So we're going to be using pork this time, and that's kind of the inspiration behind this video recipe. Also, before we start the show, we have to give a shout out to 2 people that sent us pictures, 2 people that bought your merch, babe.
Yeah.
First picture up, look at this sexy guy, Tommy from the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Thank you so much for buying Babe's merch. Second person that we wanted to say thank you to, Delana. Thank you so much for buying Babe's merch. It means a lot to us. We always have great conversations with you guys. And so both of you, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you guys want to be featured in a video, buy some merch. Links for everything are down below. Okay, so without further ado, are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
Okay, and here we go.
Okay, so we're going to start with 3 good-sized slices of pork shoulder. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of apple juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/8 of a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of grated garlic, and that's approximately 3 to 5 cloves, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Okay, so let's get this marinade started. Okay, so we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of apple juice. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so next I'm going to put the garlic and the ginger in this super awesome Ninja chopper that I got for our anniversary a couple years ago.
I didn't buy that for your anniversary.
Oh, my birthday?
It was like Mother's Day.
Oh, it was some form of present
I think
day.
one of the kids bought it for you.
I don't think so. So, link below. Get yourself one of these. It saves you the hassle of having to chop everything. I love it.
Oh, so you did love your present.
Oh, I do love it. Yes, I love every food gift that you get me. We're going to throw our garlic in there. We're going to throw our ginger in there. And it's just as simple as a few little clicks. And that's it. Okay, so we have our ginger and our garlic chopped, and boy, these two together, I would wear as a perfume. It's very delicious smelling. Okay, our marinade is all mixed up and ready for our pork. Okay, so I'm going to transfer all of this into a little bit smaller glass bowl because I think things taste a little better when you marinate them in glass. And it puts it in a little more confined space. Let's dump it in. Okay, let's get this kind of mixed up and drench it all together. I can't wait for my gloves to come that Kent promised me. I'm very excited for those.
Is that in the mail along with my competition rub and the sweet heat?
Oh, our sweet heat's right here.
Sorry, that's a little YouTuber inside joke.
All right. Oh, this smells phenomenal. All right, so we're gonna let this set for about 3 or 4 hours, and then we're gonna cook it up.
You're gonna cover it with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator, babe?
I am. Oh my gosh, that just smells so good. Okay guys, it's been 3 hours. We have had our meat marinating. It smells phenomenal. Take a look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I want to dive in. Okay, so we're back with our Sang stir fry oil. Link below. We used this on our video with our chicken noodle, what was it? Chicken chow mein?
It was on the Blackstone.
On the Blackstone? It was delicious. Oh my goodness. Get some of this. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here. We've got our cast iron heating up on medium. So we're gonna lay this pork down. It smells so good. So you wanna keep it on medium. You don't wanna go too high and have those sugars stick in the cast iron. So we've got it on medium. We're gonna go about 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so the trick to this is to keep it moving constantly because you don't want those sugars to get all sticky. Okay, so since we're gonna do a nice runny egg on this, I want it to be perfect. I don't want it to be covering my whole meal, so I'm gonna use my egg ring that I have from Blackstone Products. You can find a link below to get those. That's going to make it just the perfect size. Okay, it's time to flip over. It's looking perfect. Okay, so our pork is done, and I'm going to cut some little pieces here. And I better just give it like a little try, you know. It's cooked perfectly to 140 is what you want to get it cooked to. So we're just going to do little slices. Thin slices is what you want. Okay, so I'm gonna build our bowl and we're just gonna take our little pieces here. We're gonna go around the outside.
And that's warm white rice.
Oh, it's hot. Yeah, hot, fresh white rice. These flavors are so good. Got ginger and garlic. We're gonna put some of the green onion right here in the middle. What I'm gonna do is lay an egg on top, right here, and then we're just gonna sprinkle it with a little bit more green onion for color.
I think you did really good, babe. Needs a little bit of seeds on it.
Throw a couple seeds on there. Oh yeah, babe. That looks beautiful.
Oh yeah, babe. Okay, so you guys saw the final product. It smells amazing in here. We've had a couple little taste tests of the meat. But
It's very delicious.
yeah, babe. Gotta break this egg apart.
Rip
Oh
into
yeah,
it together.
because not only is the meat super flavorful and juicy, but you want a little bit of egg. And you know I'm not a fan of runny egg, but this, I think that with the meat and the rice and the green onion, you got to get the perfect, like, bite.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see here. Egg, rice, meat,
And green onion.
and green onion.
Oh, yeah, babe. I got
Okay,
like a mega bite. Okay, babe, are you ready?
I'm ready. Cheers. Mmm.
Oh, look. Once you mix the green onion and the egg with that marinated pork and the rice, that is good, babe.
I love Asian food. It's my favorite.
We're such a messy eater.
It's so, there's so many flavors that go into it. Mostly garlic and ginger are my favorite
Yeah.
with the white rice. It's just delicious.
Really good, guys. That pork is amazing, man.
It's really good.
It's like super tender.
Make this at home. Add an egg. Oops.
Add some green onion.
Add green onion.
Easy money. That's it.
Easy, simple, healthy recipe.
I got a little piece of rice.
Oh, oh, that was loving, babe.
All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Little Asian flair video. Good times.
So good.
If you want to request a video, hit that join button. And
And you should, because we're fun.
um,
If you hit the mega join button, you can come into our private lives. Like our private life. Just kidding. It's private lives that only certain people get to see.
that's true.
And they're awesome. And they're super fun. And we talk personal. And we get real. And we tell you about our cooking skills. And all sorts of fun stuff.
Which are almost non-existent.
Don't say that. They're awesome.
But if we can pull those
I'll
off.
teach you how to cook. I'll give you private cooking classes if you hit that mega join button. Thanks, guys.
All right, see you on the next one.
Have a good one.